This set me free. All right, here we go. Delegate and elevate. Great tool. Get a piece of paper, make it in 4. And at the very top, put love great. At the right, like good. Bottom left, don't like good. Bottom right, don't like not good. Delegate and elevate. This is a tool for EOS. This is just one of the many tools. But here's what you do. You literally write down, have this with you wherever you go, and evaluate the next week. I'm talking everything. I'm talking loading the dishes. You might say, I don't like it, but I'm good at it. Some of you are the best dish loader people on planet Earth. But you know what? It only takes 15 minutes a day, Kary. Well, guess what? 15 minutes a day, suddenly, in fact, let's get a calculator here. Here we go. Here we go. Hang on with me. Hang on with me. Let's get the calculator. This is mind-blowing. I did this once for somebody, okay? So let's just talk about loading and unloading the dishwasher. And let's say it takes only 15 minutes a day. So that 15 minutes a day, you do it 7 days a week. That's 105 minutes. You do it times 52 weeks. That's 5460. And you do it for 60 years. 60 years. So we're at 327,600 minutes. You might say, Kary, it's just 15 minutes a day. Okay, fine. Let's just say it's 15 minutes a day. Now it's 327,600 minutes in your life that you just did that. Now let's divide that by 60 and see how many hours that is. Divided by 60 equals 5460. You might say, okay, so I spend 5,000 hours loading dishes and unloading dishes. Now let's say, what is your hourly rate? Seriously, if someone were to hire you for coaching, consulting, whatever your unique ability is, let's just type out how much would you like to get? Just put it on Facebook. Some of you are right here right now. Put it on Facebook. How much do you do? Okay? How much are you per hour? Go ahead, put that. But here's the point. Let's go back to our calculator. If you say, Kary, I'm $150 an hour. Okay. 5460 times 150. This is how many billable hours you're spending in your life that you wasted. In other words, if you were doing your unique ability at $150 an hour, this is what you could have earned instead of loading dishwashers. You ready for this? Wow. You mean I could have earned an extra $819,000 in my lifetime just by not loading dishes? Now, I'll tell you what, folks. You take that little activity. How many of you like that? Come on now. How many of you like that? Go ahead, post in the comments. I can see you folks. Was that mind-blowing or what? All right, well, let's go back. Let's go to the depth. This is, what if you did this? What if you, and this wouldn't be just one page. This would be pages. In other words, I don't like it and I'm not good, but I'm still doing it. Boom, 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 boom. I like it and I'm good at it. Boom, 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 boom. I don't like it and I'm good at it, like dusting or whatever, all those. What if you then just took these things, a few of them, like 4, and you just said, I'm going to stop doing it? This is what's mind-blowing. You don't need all or nothing. Stop saying, yeah, but who's going to do this and who's going to do that and who's going to do that and who's going to do that. Start literally saying, what if I just take one of these things off? And here's what's crazy. It's addicting. And suddenly you free up that and you're like, oh my gosh. And then what happens is you go in your business and you see how you're accomplishing so much more and you're crushing it.